Hi, it's Jan from Velomobile World, and just to see here behind, we have here a lot of colors. So these are all special colors, and even there are way more. But that's not what I want to show you. So what I want to show you, it's last video it was, that's Doreen, by the way. We have already a lot of painted. Here we have a lot of bikes ready. And I'll turn the camera around. So we're working hard on the bikes for Cyclocon. This one is almost ready. There we have some verification states. There's another one also for Cyclocon, and Florine is working on the last one for Cyclocon. So four bikes we will send to Cyclocon, and we have to do that already this Wednesday or Thursday. We need to ship it in order it's on time. We need to make still some promotion material, so I hope I can see a lot of people there, because we put quite some effort in to have bikes ready there, promotion material there, and that I go there as well. So yeah, see you next week. Bye bye.